Yeah, measurement. Yeah, chapter one. Yeah, uh, we will learn about unit and basic quantities, powers of 10, yeah, shorten, yeah, length, significant features, area, volume, mass, time, systematic errors, Vernier scales, and micrometers, yeah, and then practical work period of a simple pendulum. Yeah, this is this practical actually easy. Yeah, you can do it by yourself on your home, on your house. Yeah, so it easy. Only like pendulum, swing pendulum, and then find the time uh, after they have some period. Yeah, let's say 10 period, how much time, and then you can find about time one period. Yeah. Later we will see it. Yeah. Okay, now I will explain first. Maybe I will explain first, and please don't go anywhere. Yeah. First one is unit and basic quantities. Yeah. Okay. Before measurement can be made, a standard or unit must be chosen. Yeah. The size of the quantities to be measured is then found with an instrument having scale mark, yeah, in the unit. Uh, Three basic quantities we measure basic are length, mass, time. Yeah. Uh, Unit for other quantities plus unit of them. The SI, nah, this one, yeah. System International uh, of Unit. Yeah, atau International System of Unit. System set metric unit now use many countries. 8 decimal system with unit divided multiplied by 10 to give smaller or larger than. Yeah. Okay. So why the background is cockpit? Yeah, yeah, because measuring instrument, the flight deck on the passenger jet provide the crew information about performance of the aircraft. Yeah, betul ya. This is like some of measurement here, like pressure, and then temperature, and then like velocity of air. Yeah, and then also velocity of this jet. Yeah, can be see on this panel. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now power of 10 shorten. Yeah, this is near way writing numbers absolutely of 10 length small. Yeah, it's work like this one. Yeah, ini penting ya. This is important to you because later we will solve some question numeric, yeah, with some numbers, and then we need to change into power 10. Yeah, like this one, 4,000. Yeah, same thing with 4 times 10 power 3. Yeah, and then 400, 4 times 2, 10 power 2. And also 0.04, same thing with 4 times 10 power minus 3. Yeah, because they have this like 4 divided by 1,000. Yeah. Okay, the small figure 1.2, they say are called power of 10. Okay. Okay, now I just skip, yeah, and then you may to read by yourself at home. I already put this on your Google Classroom. Yeah, maybe one period we will see this theoretical, and then the second period let we try about question. Yeah, on the uh, end of this paper, end of this slide. Okay, now about decimeter dm. Dm is 1/10 meter. Yeah, this is based on or ratio with meter. Yeah, centimeter is 10 power minus 2 because 1 meter same thing with 100 centimeter. Yeah, or 1 centimeter equals to 1/100 meter. Yeah. Then 1 millimeter is 10 power minus 3 meter, micro 10 power minus 6 meter, and nano 10 power minus 9. Yeah, this is important, yeah, to the next material, to the next chapter, because we will use this uh, what we call it, yeah, order, or we call as the, yeah, power 10, apa namanya, unit, ya, different unit, breakdown unit, ya, desi, centi, milli, micro, nano, and later we also not about meter, ya. Let's say we know about columns, ya, charge, desi column, but apa namanya, most of them like micro column, ya, micro column, nano column, milli column, ya. This is in 10 power minus 3, ya, column, 10 power minus 6 column, 10 power minus 9 column, ya. Minus 9 is nano column, ya. One nano column means 10 power minus 9 column. That's it. Okay. Okay, and then also like this one, reading 76 millimeter, same thing with 7.6 in centimeter. Yeah, because 1 millimeter equals to 0.1, right? Or 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Yeah, this is important. Yeah, for the next material we will use this. Yeah, and also this one about how you apa namanya, to obtain a average value small distance. No, no. This is when we see the object and measure the object. Yeah, our eyes is must on the parallel, on the right angle. Yeah, perpendicular. Yeah, not like with angle something. Yeah, because different eyes position is different measure. Yeah, okay, that's it. Ini yang benar kan berarti this is 75 and this is 76. Yeah, when our eyes in here, the side is 77. Yeah, it's not correct. It's not correct. It's wrong. The correct one is this one. Yeah, mass in perpendicular. Okay, now significant feature. Yeah, significant feature. Yeah. Every measurement or quantity is attempt to find its true value subject cost arising from a limitation apparatus experiment. Number feature called significant feature. Yeah. Okay. For example, a value 4.5 for measurement has two. Yeah, has two. This is has two. 4 and 5. Yeah, two significant feature. And 0.0385, they have three, yeah, significant feature. Yeah, only 3, 8, and 5. Why? Because we can change this position point into 0.0, yeah, become maybe 3.85, maybe 385. Yeah, so this is not significant feature 0, 0. Yeah, and then yes, here, area. Yeah, I think you already know about area. Yeah, area is length times length. Yeah, this is, yeah, because if they have length 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter, so this is 1 centimeter square. Yeah, equals to 1/100 meter times 1/100 meter equals to 1/10,000 meter persegi. So 10,000 equals to 10 power minus 4 if we go up, ya. Kalau kita naikkan ke atas 10 power minus 5. Yeah, that's it. I think you already know about area. Also the area, triangle area. Yeah, triangle area is a half of base, yeah, times with height. Yeah, a half base. Yeah, a half like this one of a half of 4 times 6, and for this one is a half or 5 times 4. Yeah, that's it. Volume, yes, volume, yeah, volume, yeah, just multiplication between length, height, and weight, yeah, length, breadth, and height, yeah. Yeah. Then yes, okay, and this is about meniscus observation, yeah, yeah, still same. Our eyes must in the linear or perpendicular with surface of this cylinder. Yeah, this is the correct one. Yeah. Okay, and mass 1 gram equals to 1,000 kilogram. Yeah, so or 1 kilogram equals to 1,000. Yeah, so 1 gram equals to 1/1000. 1,000 is 10 power minus power 3. Ya. So kalau kita naikin ke atas jadi 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Or it's mean 0.001 kilogram. Ya. Okay, I will skip it. Yeah. This is a digital top balance yeah, for measuring the mass. Yeah. Our school have about 5. Yeah, we have about 5. And then time, yeah, time in second, yeah, using by stopwatch, yeah, or your watch maybe, yeah. Okay, now this is about practical work, what I mentioned before, yeah. How to find frequency and period, yeah. The period is one time circle, yeah, one time swimming until to the initial position. Yeah, this is initial position. Swing to the left and back to the right again, and come back to the initial position. And the time is one period. Yeah, one period. Yeah. So between period and frequency, they have relationship that's frequency is 1/t. Yeah, 1/t. I think when you on the grade 9, we already talking, we already studying about period and frequency. Yeah, period is one time, one oscillation. Yeah, and then frequency is 1/time, 1/period. Yeah, okay. Systematic error ini figure 1. Oh, this is about error. Figure 1.9, so part of rule use measure the height of position P above the bench. The rule chosen has space before to the 0 scale. This is shown the length x, yeah. The height of position P given by the scale reading at the value of x. The equation for height is ini height equals scale reading plus x, ya. X is systematic error, ya. Yeah. By itself scaling reading not equal to height, it's too small the value of x. Ini karena ini bukan ukuran dasarnya ya, maksudnya zero in this position x ya. Maka nilai p ya p equals to ya minus x ya. When we see this ya, height equals to 5.9 plus x. Okay. This is about Vernier scales and micrometer. Yeah. Our lab have some around 10 Vernier scales, yeah, and also micrometer. Yeah. This is we call as Vernier caliper, yeah, or micrometer screw gauge. To measure about length and little bit apa namanya? Untuk skala yang lebih kecil ya, skala yang lebih kecil. Oke, Vernier scale. Let's we try about ini ya. Coba kita latihan. Oh no, this is about still scale when zero and this object. Wait. Ini. Oke, nanti kita lihat apa namanya latihannya ya. Sekarang kita sini dulu. Oke, this is Vernier caliper. Ya, micrometer screw. Ya, micrometer screw. Ya, and the range length is in millimeter. Ya, and Vernier caliper still in centimeter, but little bit apa namanya lebih lebih kecil lagi ya, mengukur lebih kecil lagi. Okay, yeah, we have some apa namanya question here, yeah. Let we try, yeah, question here. Okay, kita coba ya. Question: how many millimeter are there in centimeter, 4 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter, 6.1 meter? Okay, they ask me about in millimeter. Ya, here aja, kelihatan nggak? Zoom aja. Okay, 1 centimeter in millimeter, ya. 1 centimeter in millimeter, something with 10, ya, millimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter. Now, what about 4 centimeter? Times 10 aja, ya, because 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So, here, same thing to 40, ya, 40 millimeter. Okay. Then, how about this 0.5 millimeter centimeter? Yeah, this is something with a half of 10. Yeah, a half of 10 is 5. Yeah, 5 millimeter. And now, what about 6.7 centimeter? 6.7 centimeter. Yeah, yeah. Something with times with 10 millimeter. Yeah. So this is something with 7 millimeter. And now, what about 1 meter in millimeter? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. And then 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So 1 meter equals to 100 times 10. Yes, equals to 1000, yeah, millimeter. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. What are these lengths in meters? Oh. Okay. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Yeah. So 300 centimeter. Yeah, I think you can decide, yeah, about this. Yeah, this is around 3 meter. Yeah. This is something with 3 meter. Yeah. Okay. Then what about for 3 centimeter? Yeah. We divided by 100 aja ya. Jadi 0.40 meter. Ya. Nah, and then what about 550? Yeah. Yeah. Because 1 centimeter equals to 1/100. So in B this, yeah, 550 divided by 100. Yeah, yeah, same thing with 5.5 meter. And then, maybe here first, yeah, 870 centimeter. Yeah, divided by 100. Yeah, equals to 8.7 meter. And the last one, yeah, here, 100 millimeter. 100 millimeter, same thing with 10 centimeter. Yeah, 10 centimeter, yeah, divided by 100, yeah, 0.1, yeah, in meter. That's it. Yeah. Yes. Number 3A, write the following as powers of 10 with one figure before the decimal point. Oke. Kita bisa tulis this ya is 1.0 times 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 power 5 ya. Select this one ya. Power 5. This is power 5 ya. Power 5. And what about 3,500? Yeah, this is something with 3.5 3.5 times 10 power. Yeah, because this is when the position point is in here. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, power 3. And then what about 428 million? Yeah, yeah. This is like we can say this is 4.28 yeah times 10 power yeah 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 yeah power 8 yeah that's it. Again, what about 504? 5.04 times 10 power 2 yeah that's 2. And the last one here, this is like 2.7. Yeah, 2.7, let's say 2.7. Yeah, we run off here, 2.7 times power 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand about this because this is like a basic knowledge to calculation, to mathematical calculation for the further material. Yeah. We will use this for the calculation. Okay, B question, write out the following in full. Yeah, this is like opposite this one. Yeah, flip it from this one. Yeah. 10 power 3, yeah, this is something 1,000. Yeah, 1,000. This is equals to 1,000. Yeah, this is 1,000. How about 2 times 10 power 6? Yeah. Sorry, kok 1 million? 1,000. This one. 1,000. Here is 2 million. Yeah. This 2 million. Okay. And the third one, this is 4, so maybe 6, 9, 2. The power is 4. Oh, this is like 0 plus 2, 0. This one. sorry, 69,200, 69,200. Yeah. Okay, what about the third one here? I put here. Yeah. Oh, same thing with 134. Yeah, because this is 10 power 2. Yeah, so it's like moving this point two times 1, 2. Yeah, so equals to 134. Okay, last one. Uh, 10 power 9. Yeah, this is equal to 1, and we have 90. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay, I hope you understand, yeah, about this. Yeah, this is basic knowledge in mathematics, but this is important to us, yeah, to the next level calculation in physics, yeah, calculation, the next material. Okay, we just go continue, yeah. What this fraction as power of 10? Okay, this is uh, 1 times 10 power. 10 power, because the position is on the below. So this is 10 power minus 3. Yeah. This is 10 power minus 3 ya. Like ya, apa kita nulisnya seperti ini cuma karena pakai komputer jadi begini ya. Assumption-nya adalah seperti ini ya, 10 power like 10 power 6, 10 power minus 3. And also what about this one? Yeah, sorry. This is 7 times, yeah, 7 times 10 power minus 5. Yeah, okay. And also, yeah, this one, yeah, this is actually, we can use 1 times, yeah, or we just only 10 power, yeah. This is 10 power minus 7, yeah. And last one, what about this one? 3 over 6, yeah, this is like 3 over 6, yeah, times 10 power minus 4, or this is a half, yeah, because 3 over 6 a half, 10 power minus 4, or yeah, we can, let's say here, yeah. Or we can only put 5, yeah, 5 times 10 power minus, yeah, 5, yeah, yeah, that's it. Okay, I hope you understand about this, yeah. This is actually simple, but this is also important for us, yeah. Yeah. Important for us for the calculation to the next level in IGCSE or AS or A level question, yeah. B question, express the following decimal as powers of 10 which one feature below the decimal point. Okay. Highest and the below one. Gini aja. This is 5 times 10 power minus 1. Yeah. This is 5 times 10 power minus 1. This one. Mm. And what about this one? This is, we can say 8 point, yeah, 4, 8.4 times 10 power. This is 2 times, yeah, 0, sorry, point move into here, 1, 2, yeah, so minus 2. Okay, what about this one? Yeah, I copy first. This is 3.6, 3.6, but 10 power in, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, so minus 4, yeah. Okay, and then once more here, yeah, this is same thing with we use 1.04, yeah, 1.04 times 10 power, let me see, 1, 2, 3, yeah, times power minus 3, yeah, that's it. Seperti itu. Okay, number 5, the page of book are number 1 to 200 and each leaf is 0.10 millimeter thick. If each cover is 0.20 millimeter thick, yeah, what is the thickness of the book? Oh, this is so easy, yeah. Let's say when the cover is 2 sheet of paper, yeah, we can say this is like 2 times 0.20 millimeter, yeah, and then plus they have 200, yeah, 200 pages, yeah, of number 1 to each leaf, yes, 200, yeah, and then times with 0.10, okay, 0.10 millimeter. So this is something to, yeah, 0.40 millimeter plus 200 times 0.1. This is something with 20.0 millimeter. Yeah, like yeah. Yeah. So the thickness of this book is wait, wait. This is something with 20 point. Uh, kok jadi kesini ya? Satu sekali. Ini, oke. Tunggu ya guys. Yeah, same thing with 20 0.40, yeah, millimeter. That's it. Mm, sorry. Ah, so- okay, that's it. Here. Okay, and then number 6. How many significant features are there in the length measurement of, okay, here 2.5 is two significant features. Yeah, here is two significant features, 2 and 5. Yeah, and then 5.32 is 3. Yeah, and then here, uh, how much is it? This is, they have 4. Why? Because 0 in here is significant feature also. Yeah. Uh, different with this one. Yeah. Different with 0 on this uh, question. This is only 2. Yeah. Between 4 and 2. Yeah. And 0 in here, this is not as the significant feature. Yeah. And also we can say this 0.042 centimeter. Yeah, same thing with 4.2, let's say 4.2 something, or 42 something. So 0 in here is not uh, important. Yeah, okay, that's it. Okay, I think we will continue next meeting.